Welcome to a bright French Easter pasta for spring. It serves 4 people and takes about 35 minutes. Silky tagliatelle with asparagus, peas, lemon crème fraîche, and soft boiled eggs. Simple, elegant, and festive. First, let's check the ingredients. 12 ounces dry tagliatelle, the pasta base for our dish. 4 large eggs, for those Easter-ready soft-boiled halves. 8 ounces thin asparagus, trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces for a tender crunch. 1 cup peas, fresh or frozen, for sweetness and color. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, to start the sauce silky. Half a cup of crème fraîche, the French creamy base. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, for subtle tang and depth. Zest of 1 lemon, bright citrus aroma. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, for lively acidity. 1 small shallot, finely minced, to sweeten the sauce. Half a cup of grated Comté cheese, for nutty richness. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh chives, a fresh herbal finish. 4 quarts of water, to boil eggs, vegetables, and pasta. 1 tablespoon coarse salt, to season the boiling water. 2 quarts cold water, to chill the eggs quickly. 2 cups ice cubes, to build the ice bath. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt to season the sauce. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper for gentle warmth. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Fill a large pot with 4 quarts of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Then add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Gently lower 4 large eggs into the boiling water and cook for 6 minutes and 30 seconds for soft boiled centers. While the eggs cook, prepare an ice bath by combining 2 quarts of cold water with 2 cups of ice in a large bowl. When the time is up, move the eggs to the ice bath for 2 minutes. Then crack and peel them carefully and set the peeled eggs aside. Bring the pot back to a boil and add 8 ounces of asparagus and 1 cup of peas. Boil for 2 minutes, then lift them out with a slotted spoon and keep warm. Add 12 ounces of tagliatelle to the same pot and boil until al dente, about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a wide skillet over low heat. Add the minced shallot and cook for 1 minute until just tender. Whisk in 1/2 cup of crème fraîche, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the zest of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Warm gently for 1 minute without letting it boil. Season the sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, stirring to combine. Fold the blanched asparagus and peas into the sauce and keep it on low heat. Reserve 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking water, then drain the tagliatelle. Add the drained pasta to the skillet and toss to coat. Splash in 1/3 cup of the reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce if needed. Take the skillet off the heat. Add 1/2 cup of grated Comté and toss until it melts and the sauce is glossy. Slice the soft-boiled eggs in half lengthwise. Twirl the pasta into 4 warm bowls. Add the vegetables on top and arrange the egg halves over each serving. Finish with 2 tablespoons of chopped chives scattered over the bowls and serve immediately. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this French Easter pasta, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more delicious videos.